a PetroWasHere. Check this out. I'm standing by a Bell U.S. Army Super Cobra. Man, look at this thing. Look at the Gatling gun coming here. It's pretty amazing. You don't see one of these every day. And I was just driving down to the Shiloh battlefield, and I'm about 10 minutes away, and I see this on the side of the road. And this thing's amazing. You know, where the missiles and rockets would shoot out of here. You don't see this every day. This is one of my favorite helicopters. And when you think about an Army attack helicopter, when you were growing up in the 80s and the 90s, this was it. You know, besides Airwolf. Airwolf was pretty cool. But I'm going to give this a real good Herald Investigates, a Bell Super Cobra attack helicopter. This thing is pretty amazing. Look at this. Let's give it a good investigating. Imagine this thing flying through the sky. You can see how huge these propellers are. And it's almost kind of like a rubber material. These things would flap up and down. Really awesome piece of American military might right here. The Apaches and everything is what we have now, but you know, this thing is amazing. It's open. Oh wow. Open it up. Let's check it out. Let's take a look on the inside. See what it's about. Wow, this just opened up. You can climb right in. Here's the cockpit. There's the joystick handle. All the buttons. What do they do? Wow, look at this. You got the laser, the joystick. Look at all of this. This is awesome. Take a look back there. Imagine being able to sit here and fly in this thing. That's just amazing. You know, it's amazing that I would have done that. If I could go back in time, I would have flown one of these. I would have gone in the military and done this. I think that would just be super awesome. Man, what do these buttons do? Let's turn that one, flip this one. Look, there's a laser button, high, low. Whoa, it's so cool. Look at all this. Volume.
Wow, really awesome. Lock that in.
Wow, that's pretty awesome. That is, you don't see this every day, and I find that incredible cool. Imagine this machine gun just turning around and blasting on people. These rockets. Wow, really awesome. Really awesome. I'm Petro. That's a Bell Super Cobra TAC helicopter. Awesome.